Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to move a couple parts around and really change the way this thing looks. So if you look down here, you can see what we got going on here. So we've got this, and it's also mirrored on the other side, just the same. What we're going to do is we're going to grab this part right here, and open it up, and just flip it up to where it looks like this. Now what we're going to do is we need to put a line in there, a crease. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold it up like so, making sure everything stays well and good together. Down here, there we go. I'm going to crease it like so. Take my chopstick to it. After that is creased, we're going to unfold it. Now we're going to grab this part right here, this reverse fold that we've got going on here, and we're just going to undo it. And this is how your model should look after you've done doing both of those things. Make sure everything's good and flat, all of our creases are in. Flip it over, and it's mirrored on both sides.